Hello guys, today I've got a Momentum 5 of course Sennheiser headphones, and I'm going to show you how to rename these headphones in your Android phone. So at first you need to open the settings. Now connections, and here Bluetooth. Of course remember that on other devices than Samsung you'll need to go straight to the Bluetooth or just connected devices. Here, as you can see, we've got our headphones. They actually turned off automatically because of the auto off feature, but that doesn't matter. Click this gear icon near your headphones and tap rename right here. Now you can modify your name. You can add everything you just want, of course without emotes, but apart from that, everything. When you're done, just tap rename. So if you want to bring back your name to the default one, unfortunately you will have to do this manually, but that's how it works. That's it. Goodbye.